Hi everyone, welcome to my virtual story time at the FVRL Regional Library. My name is Kieu. Today I would like to present you a flannel story called Hiccups for Elephant, inspired by James Peller. Before I get started, I would like to sing a hello song with you. It's called Bread and Butter, Marmalade and Jam. This is how it goes. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as loud as you can. Hello! Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as softly as you can. Hello! Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as slowly as you can. Hello! Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as fast as you can. Hello! Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as nicely as you can. Hello! Okay, I'm going to present you the final story, Hiccups for Elephant. It was nap time. All the animals were fast asleep, except for Elephant. He had the hiccup. James, the monkey, woke up. I can curse those hiccups, Jim said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. Elephant wants to give it a try, so he stands on his head, like that, and he ate a banana. Kaboom! It's only make him feel so dizzy. And then Lion woke up. I can curse those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water very, very, very fast. So Elephant likes to give it a try. He went to the pond and drank a lot of water. So the zebra woke up. I can curse those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards. Elephants like to give it a try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Little Mouse woke up. What's all the noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to sleep. Poor Elephant has the hiccups, Jim said. The mouse looked Elephant in the eyes like this. Boom! He shouted. Everyone waited and waited, but there were no more hiccups. Works every time, Mouse said. All the animals went back to sleep, except for Elephant. Achoo! Now the hiccups are gone, but there was a big sneeze. Poor Elephant, right? Okay, before I let you go, let's sing a goodbye song together. I will show you a goodbye song using sign language. It's called Goodbye, My Friends. This is goodbye in sign language. And this fence. This is time. This is your mouth. Okay? This is how it goes. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. One more time. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I hope to see you next time. Bye.